friend of mine gave me a Breville juicer to try. So today is the day that I might retire my old juicer. So this is my old juicer, guys. You see this? It's almost 16 or 17 years old. I don't remember exactly, but I've had it for that long. If you remember Jack LaLanne, so yeah, this is the juicer. I'm hoping today I'm gonna be able to juice with this one. So let's find out. Okay, I guess it fits like that. Now the top. Okay, let's plug it in. I'm gonna go ahead and juice the carrots first because I'm planning to make something with all these carrots. So let's see, it's going high. Wow, that was super fast and super easy. Looks like I don't have my workout anymore. My juice workout. Okay, let's go ahead and juice all these carrots now. Wow, that was super fast. So if you juice carrots, don't throw away the pulp because we're gonna make something with it. You know what? I think it's a bit too pulpy, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of run it through the strainer. Much better when it's strained like that. Okay, this goes into the fridge. So the juice pulp looks pretty dry, which is good. That's what we need. Okay, see? It's pretty dry. That's good. So you juiced a lot out of it. Okay, so the carrots were crushed nicely, except for the pulpy part. It's kind of too pulpy, so it really needs to be strained using like a very fine mesh. Now I have to juice these apples because they kind of going bad already. I don't even know if it's gonna taste good. Let me taste it. Oh, that's nasty. This one, let me taste this one. Okay, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more of these apples. Let's take a look at our apple juice. Definitely have to strain it. I can see already there's some pulp going on, but it's okay. Juicing with this is so much easier than my old one. Oh my goodness. All right, let's give it a taste test. Looks good. Cheers. Okay, that was yummy. Now I have to share this one. I'm gonna put some of it in here for my daughter, and the rest I'm going to use in my green juice. Now it's gonna be the ultimate test because I'm gonna go ahead and juice all these greens here, and let's see if it works. Oh, what a mess. Okay, something coming out. Okay, it created this enormous mess, guys. But it juices really fast, and I don't have to use a lot of force to push this fruit or vegetable down. So there are pluses and minuses, I guess. This mess situation, I gotta figure out. I need to have something here, like a bigger, like a taller container, so it can hold on to, or like more like a closed container. I don't know. I gotta figure something out because this is a huge mess. Look at this. It's like everywhere. Everything is splattered. And okay, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my strainer once again because I'm sure it's gonna be a bit pulpy. Actually, not that bad. So what I'm gonna do next, this is our apple juice. I'm gonna go ahead and add this green goodness to the apple, so it's gonna taste yummy. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna shake this color. I'm gonna give it a taste test. This is what I'm having for breakfast today. All these juices, guys. Yummy. Let me give this to my husband, see if he likes it. Nope, it came back. I guess more for me. It is a bit sour though, but I like it. It's sour, but it has a little kick from ginger, so I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all this mess, and we're gonna move on. Okay, now let's prepare our cucumber. I'm just gonna chop the bottoms, and I'm gonna peel a little bit. This cucumber looks like it was frozen or something. Oh no. Yeah, definitely frozen. Now it's kind of soft. Oh. So I'm just gonna slice it as thin as possible here, but not super thin. Okay, these chunks are ready. Now I'm gonna do the same with these bell peppers. I just need to cut them. Gonna do the same thing with the red one. So these parts, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my salad, and the rest I'm gonna chop and use it in something else. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the yellow. We're gonna have like a rainbow looking sushi today. All the colors, and these little pieces I'm gonna go ahead and chop and put it to my salad. Now I have one more cucumber here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this cucumber into smaller pieces. All of this goes together with our bell peppers. Okay, next thing I'm gonna go ahead and chop is this broccoli. I find that if I chop it into smaller pieces like this, it's easier to eat it in a salad, otherwise it's too rough. Okay, these two salad meal preps ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge, and then when I need to eat it, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some sauce on top, whatever I feel like, and it's ready. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add this cauliflower. This was frozen cauliflower. It kind of is a little bit frozen, but that's okay. I'm gonna mix it up with this carrot pulp that I juiced earlier. I need to add a couple more ingredients. So I have this ground flaxseeds. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. It's gonna absorb some of this moisture. I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid aminos just for a little taste. And I like to add some garlic here as well, and cayenne pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. Okay, our rice is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and add this raw vegan dried nori. Okay, so I prepared my sushi station. Now let's go ahead and roll these up. Water, and I need my knife. We'll see if it's sharp enough or not. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this cauliflower carrot rice. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of these cucumbers, a little bit of this bell peppers. I'm gonna try to make it all colors of the rainbow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up. Now I'm gonna slice it. Oh, it still cuts good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add these. You see these little pieces? Nice. I'm gonna add it to my container, and that's gonna be my lunch. Alright, I need to roll the rest now. So this one, I'm also gonna add some cilantro. Ready to roll. Let's see if I can cut this one. Remember, your knife always has to be pretty sharp. Well, mine is semi-sharp, I guess, but it has to be clean. Okay, cannot have any like debris here, otherwise it's hard to cut. See, I decided to use my hand to kind of smush it down. Just press it like that, and it kind of glues better. So I have a little bit of bell pepper still left. So I'm gonna use this for my salad whenever I'm ready. And cucumbers, I used all of them. More cilantro. Okay, let's roll the last one. I'm gonna cover it up and store it in the fridge. Okay guys, I'm really hungry right now and I can't wait to dig into this raw vegan sushi that I made earlier. It's delicious. Look the way it looks like. Wow. It looks like real sushi. Wow. Amazing. So let's dig in. It's good. It's really good. And I usually like to dip it in this peanut sauce that I make. This is almost my staple now, this peanut sauce. I love it so much. If you don't know how to make delicious peanut sauce, I'm gonna leave a link up here somewhere so you can take a look and enjoy this because it's really, really delicious. You can use it as a dip, like I'm using right now with sushi, or you can put it as a dressing for your salad. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this delicious lunch, and I will see you for dinner. Lately, when I'm feeling to eat something sweet, I just make banana ice cream, and I make chocolate peanut butter flavor. This is my favorite lately, so that's what I'm gonna do. I should have let these bananas to sit a little bit on the counter, then they would have softened up, but I can't wait. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of peanut butter. So I got some peanut butter here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cacao, and I'm gonna blend this. Okay, let's put it in a bowl. All I add on top is some walnuts. And that's it. This is so good, guys. So simple, but so good. Yes, I will eat the whole thing. I decided to go a little more chocolatey, so I'm just gonna add a few more of these cacao nibs. I had it so many times already, and it's still good. Delicious.